We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hakka mountain songs are described as having 9 accents and 18 tunes, 九腔18调, because they are so varied. Some people say the 9 accents refer to 9 of the many regional Hakka dialects in northern Guangdong province, where Taiwan's Hakka people originate from. Generally speaking, mountain songs are not restricted by rigid conventions regarding rhythm or musical composition, but can be loosely classified into 3 fixed tunes: 老山歌, 三歌子, and 平板. Each song derives its uniqueness from the singers, who often improvise the lyrics and develop their own individual ornamentation or embellishment of the general melody. Depending on whether the song is meant to be happy or sad, the singers use a range of vocal techniques, including portamento, vibrato, and gruppetto. The main song is usually preceded by a short introduction which sets the mood, and there are often interludes between the verses of a song. Although all of Taiwan's Hakka mountain songs are based on tunes from China, they have become uniquely Taiwanese because of the lyrics, which describe the lifestyle of Taiwan's early Hakka settlers and their descendants. Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
大家好 And today I'm going to ask her about hobbies. 很多时候我们会聊到兴趣啊，想要问人家兴趣是什么啊。So how do you ask that? What are your hobbies? 你有什么兴趣？
你嘅興趣係乜嘅？
你嘅興趣，興趣就是 hobbies 興趣。黑馬雞啊？
黑馬雞是什麼？
Okay, so here are a few. Okay, like I like to go singing. 喜歡唱歌。
唱歌。
唱歌。Okay, 這很簡單。也喜歡跳舞。
跳舞。
跳舞 that's dancing. Okay. How about 看電影好了。
看天陽。
看天陽。Oh, this is go watch a movie. 看天陽。And then also I like to do some sports. 打球。
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 或者是加一個大球誒。
大球哎啊！
打球啊！
好像在这叫 Q 毛哎，大球哎，好奇怪。Let's review that, okay? What are your hobbies? 怎么问？
你嘅興趣係乜嘅？
你嘅興趣係乜嘅？singing 唱歌，
唱歌，
唱歌跳舞 dancing，
跳舞，
跳舞，看電影 watch a movie，
看天陽，
看天陽 and then finally just play sports in general，
打球，
打球哎。That's it. Well, that's our Hakka lesson of the day again. I'm Joseph Lin.
是我太嘎。
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.